Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to class of science. In this class we will discuss about a special topic, that is metamorphosis. You will learn about metamorphosis in this video. My dear students, have you ever seen a butterfly? Do you know it was always not a butterfly? It started its life as an egg and then it changed completely into a beautiful butterfly. And this process of change of egg into a young butterfly is called metamorphosis. If we define metamorphosis in simple wording, it means a big change in the body of an animal during its life cycle. So, metamorphosis is change in the body and shape of an animal. We will discuss the metamorphosis with the help of example of life cycle of butterfly. The first stage in the life cycle of butterfly is egg. The egg is very small and it is usually laid on a leaf. And it is the first stage of the life cycle of butterfly. Life starts from an egg. Eggs are laid on leaf by the butterfly. They are very small in size. After the egg, second stage is larva or caterpillar. After some days, the egg hatches into a larva, also called a caterpillar. Caterpillar eats leaves and grows very fast. It is green in color and its food is leaves of the plant. Then comes the third stage, that is pupa. Next, the caterpillar forms a covering around it itself, and this stage is called pupa. Inside the pupa, a big change is happening. The larva of butterfly is changing into a complete butterfly. Fourth stage is adult butterfly. From the pupa, finally, a beautiful butterfly comes out in an adult stage, and this is the butterfly that we see around us. It changed its shape from egg to the final stage. If we talk about the life cycle of butterfly, it starts from egg. Egg is changed into larva and larva is changed into pupa. And from pupa, a new beautiful butterfly comes out. So this is metamorphosis of butterfly. We can also apply the same examples on the life cycle of frog. The metamorphosis of frog is also consists of 4 stages. Number 1 is egg, second is tadpole, third is young frog, and fourth one is adult frog. We can also have the example of grasshopper for understanding the topic metamorphosis. In the life cycle of grasshopper, eggs are changed into nymph and nymph is changed into adult. So students, from a small egg to a colorful butterfly, this amazing change is called metamorphosis. I hope you have understand the topic metamorphosis. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.